guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. So I'll start off by saying I've never used Shein before. I've heard and watched some hauls previously, but I've never personally used them myself. So this is kind of a first impressions haul. I didn't pick up loads, I just picked up a few little bits. Obviously we're still in lockdown, so I'm not really going anywhere to wear lots of new clothes. But I did see a couple of things that I liked and I wanted to kind of give them a go, and for the price of them I couldn't really leave them, to be honest. Overall, I have to say, I was expecting long delivery times. That wasn't the case. I think both times, because I made two orders, I made a smaller order first of like 1 or 2 items just to test the quality, and then the second order that I did, I ordered a few more items once I knew that the quality was okay. I think the turnaround was probably about a week maybe, which isn't too bad considering like I was expecting it to be a lot longer, to be honest. I think, yeah, it was probably about 5 days to a week, something like that for each order, which I didn't think was too bad for what we were getting and the price, and considering that they're probably coming from overseas. In terms of the price point, I was incredibly impressed. Obviously when you see things and they're priced at the prices they are, you kind of think, oh, it's too good to be true. But when I've actually received the items, the quality I'm actually really impressed with. I didn't have high hopes, I wasn't expecting the world, but I was like, if they're okay for the price of them, like they'll do me for lockdown, they'll do me for just like lounging around the house and things like that. But actually the quality is surprising. I was pleasantly surprised by the quality. So yeah, anyway, enough of me waffling. Basically, I was impressed. The overall thing is I was impressed by Shein. I would definitely recommend, I would definitely shop there again. So yeah, let's just get on with looking at the pieces that I picked up and see what you think of them. First up, what I will say is for each item, because I can't remember what the prices were, and the prices will be on my phone, which I'm recording on. So what I'll do is when I'm editing it, I'll just put the prices on screen so you can see how much each item was. So first up is this oversized t-shirt with the skater print on. So it's got the 3 skeletons skateboarding. It is oversized. It's got the big boxy sleeves. It is like a boxy fit, just black with the white detailing on. Now, I did get this in an extra large because I wanted it really oversized. I wanted it like a really baggy fit, and I wasn't sure with the t-shirts and when they say oversized. Sometimes when things are like from a bit of a brand that I'm not too sure on, sometimes the sizing can be a bit off. So I did size up. So normally if I wanted like an oversized t-shirt oversized, I'd get a large, but because I wasn't sure on what the quality was like and how their items fit, I did go for an extra large. Now it is very, very oversized. Like on me it is massive. I'm not like, I can live with it for the price of it and for what it is, like for slouching around the house and chucking on with a pair of leggings or skinny jeans. Like it's absolutely fine. I will insert a picture here of me wearing it, which is over on my Instagram. So if you do want to see what any of these items look like, you can always go and check out my Instagram. They'll all be detailed and pictured over on there. So yeah, that was the first item. Like I say, it was oversized, but that is kind of my fault because I sized up. The second item that I got was another t-shirt with the Death Love print on with this heart skull lady face. Again, I got this in an extra large. Again, it is quite oversized. It's not as oversized as the first one, but it is still quite big, so I could have probably got away with a large quite easily. The print is just the vinyl, so it has obviously just been pressed on. It's just a plain black t-shirt with the red design, and yeah, short sleeved, oversized. Not too much to say about it. Again, I'll insert a picture here of me wearing it, and that's how I chose to style it up. I do just like sometimes just having a couple of oversized t-shirts just for chucking on in and around the house, especially like with having a baby and stuff. It's just easy to throw them on with leggings or a pair of skinny jeans or something and kind of make an outfit look a bit more put together. Next up, I picked up my first of 2 pairs of dungarees. So I saw these were in the first order that I made, because I saw them, I loved them, and I was like, right, these can be my tester. So these are, they're like cord material, but it is like thin cord. It's not thick, coarse cord. It's like, it is thin, like soft cord in black. They're just normal dungarees, and then they're just straight legged. They're not skinny fit or anything like that. They're just straight legged dungarees, and then they have this little cute pocket on. So it's just a black pocket with the frill all the way around it, and then it's got the heart embroidery in the middle. And I just thought these were super cute, and then I've just turned these up at the bottom because I'm short ass. Yeah, I just thought they were super cute. I saw them and I thought, oh, they're like, I do love a pair of dungarees. And I just thought, with chucking a cute little t-shirt underneath, and for the price of them, they were so cute. So I did think they were going to be the thicker cord material, so I wasn't sure they'd be that comfortable. But with them being the thinner cord, they're definitely more comfy for like lounging around the house and stuff like that. So yeah, I was definitely 100% impressed with them, and that's what led me to making a second order because I was so impressed with them dungarees. I'll insert a picture here of me wearing them. And yeah, if you're into dungarees, for the price of them and for the comfort, I would definitely recommend them. I got them in size XL again. I think at the minute, obviously, with not long having a baby in my hips and stuff, and I've still got some of my baby weight, so I'm probably like a size 14 at the minute, like a bigger 14. So I've gone with like an XL again because I just wasn't sure what they were going to be like size wise, but they do fit me. They are loose. I've got room in them, and yeah, they're just really comfy, really comfy. I would definitely recommend them. Next up, excuse the makeup marks on this because I've already had it on 2 or 3 times because I'm obsessed with it. This again was in my first order. I saw this is actually what I saw advertised. It came up on a Facebook ad, and I was like, wow, like that's so nice. And the price was ridiculously low, so I was like, oh yeah, I'll order that. And then that's when I came across the dungarees, ordered them 2 items, and I thought, if they're good, then I'll go back and have a look. So they were both of them were just so, I was so impressed. So this cute little jumper, so it is actually like a sweatshirt material, but it is just a thin sweatshirt material. So it's got the cuffs at the end, just a plain black thin sweater, and then it's got the collar built into it, which these collars are kind of all in again at the minute. And then it just has this print on the front, and then the saying just says, change your thoughts and change your destiny. And it's kind of like the Ouija board prints and stuff like that. And I just thought that was a really cute little sweatshirt. Again, really smart. So just chucking on with a pair of skinny jeans or like leather pants or something like that, it just instantly makes it look a bit more put together and like you've put more effort in than you actually have. And yeah, as soon as I tried it on, I said to John, as soon as I tried it on, I was just like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this top. Like it made me feel, for the first time in a long time, like I was actually put together and I actually had like a nice outfit on. So I would definitely recommend, if you're into that kind of style, I would definitely recommend that jumper. So this is what it looks like. Again, go and check it out on Instagram. I've put a couple of pictures on with this jumper on just because like I'm in love with it. And then the penultimate thing that I've got, which I haven't yet tried this on, but I picked it up just because I thought they were super cute, was these pajamas. So they're little shorts with a little matching long crop top. So the crop top has adjustable straps, just like a bra, and then it has this eyelash lace all around the top of the top and then all around the bottom of the shorts. Now they look like they should be a silk material, which I'm not a fan of silk pajamas. Me and them just, they don't agree, but they're not. They're kind of that stretchy, I don't even know what kind of material you would call it, but they're like really soft and stretchy. It does feel shiny, but it's not. It's like really soft and stretchy. I got these in a size, I don't actually know. Got these in a size XL again, just because I wasn't sure whether they were silk or not silk, so I didn't know how much give they'd have in them. So yeah, I picked them up in an XL, and I just thought there was like a really cute little set, and they wasn't very expensive. And yeah, just thought I'd treat myself to some nice new little cute girly pajamas. To be honest, I'm one of these, I I'm always warm at night, so I'm forever sleeping in shorts and crop tops or t-shirts, big t-shirts or something like that, because I'm not all about this. Like, I love pyjamas, like proper pyjamas for like chilling in the house, like lazy evenings, lazy days. But when it actually comes to going to bed, like, no, I get too hot. I'm like, give me shorts, give me a little crop top, or give me a t-shirt, a big baggy t-shirt, something nice and simple that I can just cool, chill. That's me. So that brings us to the last item of this haul, which is actually what I'm wearing, which is another pair of dungarees. So these are, I don't know if you can see them because the sunlight's on, but they're these pink dungarees, and then they've got these little love heart prints all over. I'll insert a picture here. Again, I saw these when I was doing my second order, and I was like, they're amazing. Like, they are a bit of me. But it was like, are they too much? Can I get away with them? Can I pull them off? But I thought, oh, what the heck, for the price of them, I'll just order them and try them on, and we'll see how they go. Now, the quality wise, I didn't really know what to expect, because it didn't say, or I didn't see what material they were. And obviously with the other dungarees being like a softer cord, I thought, are they going to just be like a jersey material, and they're going to cling, and they're not going to look very nice? I genuinely wasn't sure. I was still a bit skeptical at this point. But they've arrived. They arrived not yesterday, the day before, and they're denim, beautiful. I am absolutely obsessed with them. I've just turned them up at the bottom. They've got the adjustable straps on the shoulders. They've got the dungarees on the front, and then they've got this cute little pocket which is like stitched over, so it looks like it's been turned over. They're just a really cute pair of dungarees, like for sticking. Obviously I've just got it on with a plain black t-shirt today, but I can imagine it with a big thick polo neck, or like a chunky jumper underneath. Obviously I've styled it with a hat, but you don't have to do that. White would look really cute, or like a red t-shirt or something underneath. Whatever, I just felt like they were really cute. They're like a very statement piece, and I like to wear a lot of black. Like, that's no secret around here. For me, something like this is great because I can, black polo t-shirts, black jumpers, I can mix it all up. And yeah, just as soon as I saw them, I was like, they're a bit of me. And then I was kind of like, and then as soon as I tried them on, I was, yeah, obsessed. They're so cute, especially considering it's Valentine's Day this weekend. I thought they were very appropriate. So yeah, definitely another item. If you're into like bold statement pieces like this, I would definitely recommend. Like, I've seen dungarees that are this kind of style, similar prints and things like that, for like 3 times the price of what I picked these up for. I would definitely suggest, if you're in the market for some statement items, go and have a look. And I will 100% be going and having a look back myself, because I've seen a couple of other bits on Instagram and things like that which I like the look of. So I will definitely be heading back over and having a look and potentially doing another order. So let me know if you want another Shein haul. That is everything that I've picked up from Shein this time. Like I say, it wasn't loads, but it was my first time ordering from them and picking up some pieces. So I did just want to do like a first impressions haul, letting you know what my thoughts were, because I know I was definitely a bit skeptical about using them. It's a new company. The prices seem too good to be true, and I just wasn't really sure whether the quality would be that good. But everything that I've picked up, the quality is genuinely good. I would really order from them again, and I would really recommend them for the price point, for the quality, for the service that I've personally received over the 2 orders that I've done. I can't fault them. And like I say, I will definitely be reaching to them in the future for other bits and bats. Like I say, it's not as convenient as your other online fashion brands that have next day delivery service. If you need something fast, if you want something now, it isn't that kind of website. But if you're not in a rush for it, if you just want some pieces at a reasonable, affordable price, I would definitely suggest going, taking a look and seeing what you think, because I was definitely pleasantly surprised. that brings us to the end of this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked seeing what I got from Shein. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again in my next video.